southbound to Terminal 1 at the airport. For those that just boarded, I'll be announcing all of your stops and your connecting routes for you. If you have a question, please feel free to ask. You off the bus to any one of those stop Your next stop is going to be Sahara for the Sahara Las Vegas. Bonanza is the world's largest souvenir shop. They have souvenirs in there as cheap as 99 cents, so stock up, folks. Christmas is coming. Your connecting bus is the SX, the Sahara Express, east and west of the Palace Station. Folks, we also have a monorail. It means walking. It's on the east side of the strip only. It starts here at the Sahara, goes all the way down to the MGM. Grand Vacation in the Fountain Blue. For those people that do love those coin slots, we have 5 casinos left that have coin slots. Up ahead, Circuit. The other 4 are downtown at the El Cortez in California and the Skyline. Your next stop is Circuit. Lots of fun. The Westgate, Las Vegas Convention Center. Elvis Presley Boulevard and the Fountain, and Circuit Drive. For those in the mood to shoot up 50 cal, straight down Circuit Drive is Battlefield Las Vegas. You've not been into Circus in a while. They have the Adventure Dome in the back. They have tons of carnival rides and 5 circus acts every day. And for those that are in this area, if you need to get to the airport, the street the Westgate is on, you can catch the 108 southbound to Terminal 1.
Approaching Convention Drive.
Your next stop is going to be Resort World, Las Vegas Convention Center Drive. Folks, your food suggestions at this stop, right in the corner of Tacos El Gordo, one of the most popular taco shops.
Thank
with canal shops inside the hotel.
Treasure Island.
Next up is gonna be for Caesar's Forum Shops, Casino Royale and Harrah's. Down the Lake Promenade is Ghirardelli Chocolate, the Sugar Store, In-N-Out Burger, the Zip Line, and the High Roller. For those that just boarded, get off the bus to any one of those sound request buttons before I get to your stop. I'll be happy to let you out that back door. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next up, Caesar's Palace, the Cromwell, the Flamingo, the Link. Your connecting buses here are going to be the 202 Flamingo westbound to the Rio, the Gold Coast, the Palms, and the Palms Place. And don't forget the Rio does have a zip line. You can take the 202 eastbound to Silver Sevens, the Tuscany, Ellis Island, Luca de Pepo, National Atomic Testing Museum. Our local favorite, Ellis Island, is directly behind the horseshoe. If you're in the mood for comfort food, check out Maryland's Cafe inside the Tuscany. And my all-time favorite when it comes to Italian food, Luca de Pepo. There's also